welcome back to my channel again. If you're new to this channel, it's me Roshni. Today I'm going to do a very exciting video which is Indian inspired makeup look and the outfit. Without any further delay, let's start the video. So I already put the primer earlier, so I'm gonna put the foundation now, so which will be this one from MAC, and I'm gonna mix the two foundation together. It's in different brand because that is too light for my face, this one, so I'm gonna mix it. So I'm gonna put one drop of this one, and this is enough. So I'm gonna mix this both together. Face. So I'm gonna blend that foundation with my blender, which is very small and tiny. I like it. So I'm gonna do that. So my foundation is done. So I'm gonna put the concealer, which is this one. So now I'm gonna blend this. So my concealer is done. So next I'm gonna do the contour. So I'm very bad on this one. Anyway, I'll try. So I'm gonna do contour this. So my contour is done. Hope you guys can see it. I'm gonna set my makeup with my setting powder, which is this one. So I'm gonna do that now. So I set my makeup with my setting powder. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows. So I have done my eyebrows. So I'm gonna do now my eyeshadow. So I'm gonna do my base with this one. So I have done my base, you can see that. So I'm gonna do the, so I'm gonna put on that this color, this one. This one, you can see. So still have to do something, but I'm gonna do first liner now. No, my liner is not good because I never do right. This size, I like this one, but this one is too messy. Anyway, I can't do anymore. So I'm gonna do this one now. My final touch up for my eyes. So I have done my eyeshadow. I'm gonna put the fake lashes now. So I'll come in 2 minutes. So I have done my fake lashes. So I'm gonna put the mascara on, which is waterproof. You can see. Okay, so this is done. I'm gonna put the blusher on now. So I'm gonna do this one for blusher. So my blusher is done. So I'm gonna do the highlighter now.
Highlighter brush.
So I'm gonna put the lip gloss from Ghost. So I have done my makeup. That's my makeup look. So I'm gonna get changed and put the outfit on. Then I'll show you guys all my look and outfit. So that's all my makeup look and my outfit, guys. In the last of this video, I'm gonna show you my full outfit. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, then don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel. And I'll say goodbye for now. Be happy always, guys. Goodbye.